What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Forex, and I'm back with a motherfucking video, man. In this video, I wanted to be super real. I'm going through it. Trading. This trading journey I'm on. I've started ICT, right? And ICT is definitely taking my trading to the next level. But and I know it's only been around a month since I really started learning it. And I'm fucking, it's amazing the amount of progress I've made, but I'm going through it, and I expect to go through it, right? But before I had this sober mentality, I was in the charts, revenge trading, doing stupid shit that my old self used to do, and until I stopped thinking about the money and thinking about making percentages, and just started focusing on really what's happening in the chart, going onto my demo trade, going onto my demo account, placing demo trades. Today I made 4.5% on a demo, obviously, and those are numbers that I wouldn't hit on a live account, simply because I'm paying attention to, oh, I'm gonna lose this, or I'm gonna win, I'm losing this amount of percent, or if I win this trade I'm gonna make X amount percent. And that just fucks you over, bro. That just messes with your mentality. So my recommendation to myself, especially, take this how you want it, but my recommendation to myself: stay on a demo 3 to 6 months. Forward test. Keep showing up to the market. Keep showing up to Silver Bullet. Keep showing up for the macro times. Keep showing up every single day. Understanding the weekly profiles. Understanding the daily profile. Understanding where you are. Where's your next draw liquidity. Understanding your strategy. Understanding your model. Understanding your... This comes back to the most basic principle of trading. Don't trade without a trading plan. Don't trade without knowing your trading plan. Don't trade without really knowing how to trade, your strategy, right? Stop trading on a live account if you're consistently losing money. And please, just, if you really want to do this, if you truly want to be a trader, get the fuck off a live account if you're not profitable. All you're doing is losing money, destroying your confidence because you're revenge trading, you're upping your lot sizes after a loss. Why the fuck would you do that? That's what I did. And I lost my funding account, my funding challenge. It's not as easy as you think it will be. You will have to learn a lot about yourself. A lot about yourself during this journey, and I'm sure you have already, but once you truly start to understand your strategy, once you truly start to understand why you're taking stupid trades, why you're not holding on to your winners, why you're holding on to your losers, you should already be past that. But once you figure out why you're doing that, man, you start to realize, you start to set limits for yourself. You start to really go, okay, I know that I'm impatient, so what do I have to do? Wait for a certain time. Me personally, this is a part of my trading plan. I'm waiting for the silver bullet. NAS 100 US 30. Waiting for the silver bullet. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That limitation gives me the relaxation of, okay, I don't have to take a trade before or after those times. These times in the market happen for a reason. Time over price. But if you don't want to believe that, go ahead. I don't give a shit. But this is my trading strategy that I'm implementing, my trading model, right? Once I set myself that limitation, I have seen a lot of improvement in my trading. Obviously, I've lost my funding challenge, but that was just me. I'm not going to say but. I'm going to say because that was just me over trading, revenge trading, wanting to make back percentages that I lost previously because I was because I wasn't trading in my specified time. This is the shit you learn as you develop in your journey. And I thought I'd learned this previously already, and that I wouldn't have to go through this again. But you know what? There's layers to this shit. There's phases. Just like there's a manipulation, what is it? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Just like there's 3 phases in that weekly profile, whatever you want to call it. There's phases in your journey. You're gonna go up when you feel like, okay, I'm starting to get a control of my emotions, but all of a sudden shit just goes downhill because you're not emotionally mature yet for it. You will continue to repeat the same mistakes over and over again until you truly learn it. And until you truly learn it, you should not be trading on a live account. Trade on a demo account. Don't try to perfect it, but just follow everything that's in your trading plan. Everything. I don't want to see you upping your lot sizes. I don't want to see you trading outside of your silver bullet time. I don't want to see you upping your lot sizes because you just won the last trade, or lowering your lot sizes because you just won your last trade. Take every trade with confidence. Same amount of risk, unless you lose, obviously. De-risk a little bit. This trading shit is gonna take a very long time for you to truly amass millions, right? It gives me goosebumps saying that, but it will take time for me to amass millions. Now, what do I need to do currently is I need to amass thousands. How do I amass thousands? Amassing hundreds. How do I amass hundreds? Amassing dollars. Not everybody will have the same amount of risk tolerance that you have, so you might want to go very, 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 very slowly. Some people just want to do that. Some people just want to go up all the way, and they don't give a fuck because maybe they have a stable income, a stable job, whatever it may be. But for those who have don't have a lot of risk tolerance, just take it slow, bro. Take it slow. Really learn your strategy. Really implement the things you've learned these past few years, these past few months, learning ICT, whatever it may be. If you're trading trend lines, that's on you, buddy. You know what I'm saying? But that's your strategy, right? So I hope you took something from this video, and this video is mainly for me because I really needed to let this out. I am struggling. This is the journey. This is the journey of a trader. Do not look at my winning trades that I posted on YouTube and be, oh my god, this guy's so good. I'm fucking not, dude. I'm exactly like you, dog. Like, I have a lot to learn. So take something from this video. Whatever it may be, take something from it. Just take something from it, bro. Do what you gotta do. Keep grinding, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.